Hi, hello everyone. So ito na bali yung ating final portal system na gagamitin sa ating platform, no? Ah, Lahat kayo ay magkakaroon ng ganitong similar portal system sa inyong mga website. So basically, simple lang siyang gamitin at mapapansin nyo if you click dito sa Explore and Book under the Flights Hotel. I think attraction and tours, trains and ferries, events and experience. Dito sa mga pages na to is makikita nyo yung available na portal system natin na Abia Sales. Okay? So every pages dito sa flights category and travels, makikita nyo yung available na system portal na ginagamit natin. Dito, since hotel lang siya, under the trip.com yung portal system natin. And dito naman, attraction and tours, makikita nyo, nasa front page yung ating Abia Sales. So, dyan po sa mga section na yan, makikita nyo po itong ating portal system. Okay? So, balik po tayo dito sa main page, no, ng inyong website. So basically po, simple lang siya. Just type in the departure, this departure location. Let's say Los Angeles or LAX to, let's say, Japan, Tokyo. Choose your date, September 1 till October 1. Let's say 2 passengers. You will notice that our portal system has the cheap flights and airline tickets available in the market. And so far, we have done our comparison sa ibang mga platform gaya ng Skyscanners, other platform as well. Nakita namin na mas meron tayong pinaka-cheaper flights na makikita using aggregator system. Katulad din ng ginagamit ng Skyscanners or ibang malalaking agency, online travel agency. Okay? So makikita nyo rito, it goes to the main website and mamimili kayo dito. It's still populating. Kung ano, they're looking for the cheapest flight they could find on the internet. So once you are decided, you can literally you will see yung mga list of pricing here, no? So kayo na ang bahalang mamili, but they also offer here itong cheapest flight na pwedeng makita dito sa isang portal. We will going to check. And since this is an aggregator or sometimes they are using interlining supplier, talagang naghahanap sila ng cheapest flight na available in the market. Okay? So it's either you want to go in this supplier. Iba't iba ang supplier na ino-offer nila. So in this case, we will try the kiwi.com. And you click buy, they will send it to their direct website, which is aggregator nga. So talagang binabato nila doon sa mga may murang flight na available. So ang proseso po is very straightforward. Makikita nyo, ilalagay nyo po rito yung information ng inyong client, right? Full information, passport ID, passport name and last name, gender, and etc. Right? Here, Gano'n din po, ilalagay niyo rin full information ng inyong clientele. As you notice, um, meron siyang pinakamurang, for 2 adults, only like 1,322 for 2 adults. And you have to be very, very careful to check all the included, right? Sometimes it's cheaper, but it doesn't have a cabin baggage. So you have to also think of that, right? Kailangan niyo pong i-check lahat. Kung mura nga pero wala namang check baggage, so isa rin yun sa isang bagay na dapat chine-check nyo, no? Okay, and then let's say you want to go for, let's say medyo mataas to, tignan natin, or you can click more option and either use another supplier, no? And see a comparison po, no? Check this out, GoToGate. GoToGate has been there for like a long time. Online travel agency that offers cheapest flight in the market. Tignan lang po natin, papapilate siya. Kailangan niyo po i-check ang mga included na offers each of the supplier provide. Tignan lang po natin. Medyo matagal po. There you go. So nag-total siya ng $730 per passenger. And the total cost, I think it's $730, but still you have to click this button to see what's inside, right? What is the total offer. Okay, here, so mapapansin nyo, meron siyang included na personal, which is, I think, this is the carry-on baggage, and there's a hand baggage, but there's no check baggage, meaning that the biggest baggage available on each flight. But this time, makikita niyo po, wala pong kasamang baggage, no? So, as I've mentioned, sometimes you get cheaper, but you know, you have to check what's included. And let's check the, let's say, this lucky to go supplier, kung ano yung kasama ng mga ino-offer nila. Okay? So, dito, standard, recommended ang sinasabi niya. Let's try checking what's included. Okay? Ito naman, merong hand baggage, small bag, but still no check baggage nakasama, no? So, talagang medyo dapat mag-ingat kayo kasi baka hindi nyo mapansin na mga walang baggage pala itong ino-offer nila, no? That's why I think it's cheaper, right? You know, but let's see and check, find out which one has the best value of what they offer. Dito, wala ring check baggage, no? I think may mga maliliit na baggage kasama, but there's no check baggage, which is the biggest baggage na makikita nyo sa mga nag-offer ng flight. So, yun po, yung difference, no? And you can also browse around naman, no? Kung, let's say, you want to, because we found the first one with the cheapest flights, right? And let's check this out. Medyo mataas siya, but I think this one included a baggage. So as you can see here, meron siyang 117 pounds per passenger, and merong 50 pounds per passenger, one baggage. So you will see the difference, right? From earlier quote na medyo cheapest siya kasi nga wala siyang kasamang baggage. And you can see other supplier as well na nag-o-offer dito. So you have time to check around, browse around, kung anong po yung makikita nyo sa tingin nyo na merong magandang offer. Okay? And just so you know that the travel payouts is our company supplier for this aggregator system from other airline na nagpo-provide ng mga flights sa kanila. And dito nyo po makikita ang lahat ng mga supplier na available. So, let's check this one out. mytrip.com. Select. So, I think there is one luggage of baggage included, which is the 23 kilo. 1.8 kilogram yung baggage and hand baggage, and this is the carry-on, one included, for the total amount of medyo mataas siya compare kanina, right? Kasi nga wala siyang baggage. So 2,213. But I guarantee if you go to other online travel portal system na makikita nyo online, we have tested our portal system, which we made a comparison, no, between other company, just like the scanners. We found out that the portal system that we are using has the most cheaper, kagaya nga sabi dito, cheap flights and airline tickets. So I would encourage you to browse around, check around what we offer here. Okay? Anyway, thank you guys, and I hope this video helps.